Okay, folks, welcome back. We're looking at test 3. Now, this is the 8 to 9 age group CEM Durham University style book. We're looking at mathematics, numerical reasoning. Question number 1. Which pair of lines are parallel to one another? Now, so if we look at these questions, which pair of lines are parallel to one another? Circle the correct option. The parallel lines are the lines which are running at same distance apart all the time. Okay, so for example, this one here, let's move across. Whoops, this one here. Okay, we need to delete that one and move that one across over here. These two lines are running parallel like a rail tracks. That's what parallel lines are. They're running the same distance. So the distance here is the same as the distance here, same distance here. So the answer is B. These are perpendicular lines, so that's not the answer. These are also perpendicular. These ones are not perpendicular or parallel. And these ones are again same. These are okay. So question number 2. Which of the following shapes is the same as the shape on the right? So we have some squares going this way, and we have another set of squares going that way. So the answer for that will be question D if we turn it around. Okay, that will give us D. We've got our straight down here. We got our straight there. We got this one that comes out from here. Got this one here as well, in the same way. Question number 3. Some of the squares on the grid below have been shaded. The B stands for blue because obviously we've not got color copies here. Okay, and the gray, G is for gray. Okay. Now, what fraction has been shaded gray? So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we got 6 gray. Now, how many squares are there altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we got 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 6 times by 4 is 24. So it's 6 out of 24. 6 grey out of 24 total. So 6 over 24. Now when we do this, we need to cancel it down. When we cancel, we divide what the 6 and 24 both go into. They both go into 6, which is the highest common factor. So divide that by 6, divide that by 6. So that gives us nicely the answer of B, which is 1/4. Okay, how many more squares need to be shaded blue so that 1/3 of the grid is blue? So let's work out how many are blue. So we have blue 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have 6 blue at the moment. Now 1/3. So we've got 1/3 of, and we've got 24 squares altogether. And to work out 1/3 of 24, what we do is 24, we divide it by the bottom number, which is 3, the denominator, and we times it by the top number, which is 1. So 24 divided by 3 is 8, and 8 times by 1 is still 8. So we've got 6 blue, and we want to get it, our target is to get it towards 8 blue. So we will need another 2 blue. So the answer for number 4 is 2. Brian records the temperature in his garden. His data is shown on the line graph below. What was the temperature at 12 p.m.? So at 12 p.m. we start here, we go up. Oops. We hit the graph, we go across, and that gives us an answer of 16 degrees centigrade. Okay, how many degrees warmer was it at 1 p.m. than at 11 a.m.? So let's work out those times. Let's go back to our tool. Let's use a different color this time. So now we're going to compare 1 p.m., which is here, 12, 1, 2. So we go up to here. We go to there. That's 1 p.m. And then we have to go to 11 a.m. So that's 9, 10, 11 is here. So we go up to here, and then we go across to here. So now we look at this one here. we look at what's happening from here to here. Okay, that's the wrong color. There we go. You need to work out what that difference is there. So we got 12 here at the bottom. Let's get a nice color. And this one's going to be 18, because 16, 18, 20. So when it's a difference, so we've got 18 minus 12, and that will give us a difference of 6 degrees. So that's the total there, 6 degrees. Okay, so we're working out the difference between these two lines here. Okay, let's move on. Nathan and Josie are playing darts on the board on the right. The score for each section is shown on the dartboard. The black spots show where Nathan's darts land in the first round. The white spots show where Josie's darts land in the first round. So we got the black dots, which are spots are for Nathan, and the white spots are for Josie. How many points did Nathan score? Okay, so if you want to work out Nathan's score, so he had the black spots for Nathan, so we have a 3. We have a 6, and we have a 5. So we have 3 add 6 is 9, 9 add 5, that will give us a 14. Okay, in the next round, Josie scored 25 points. What is her overall score for the 2 rounds? Okay, so let's work out her score for the first round. Okay, in the next round, Josie scored 25 points. So now here's Josie's score for the first round. Let's get a different color. So she scored an 8, and she scored a 4, and she scored a 9. So 8 add 4 is 12. 12 add 9 is 21 points. And she also scored 25 as well. So we need to add them up. So that will give us a total of 46 points for question number 8. Question number 9. Paisley wants to make 120 cupcakes, and this is the ingredients for 12. How many grams of sugar does she need? So we need to first of all work at the multiplier. How does 12 become 120? Well, 12 becomes 120 by a factor of 10. So we're going to make 10 times the number of cakes. So we need 10 times the number of ingredients. So how many grams of sugar will she need? Well, sugar was originally 110. Now we have to multiply that by a factor of 10 to give us our new answer. So it'll be 110 and then add another 0 4 times in by 10. So the answer is 1,100 grams. But the key thing in this question here is that you understand that we have a scale factor time by 10, because we've got to get the number 12 to 120. Okay, next question. Question number 10. Egg comes in packs of 6. What is the smallest number of packs Paisley needs to buy? Okay. Okay. So now we've got 2 eggs. Oops. I got the right tool. We've got 2 eggs. Oh, okay, give me a second. My tool's gone a bit. Okay. So we got 2 eggs are needed. Okay, well, let's just pause this video a second. We have 2 eggs for 12 people, and we're going to now go towards 120 cupcakes. So we have times that by 10 as well. Okay, 2 times by 10, that'll give you 20 eggs. Now eggs are sold in packets of 6, so you have to do now 20 divided by 6. That'll give you 3 remainder 2. Now you can't buy 3 remainder 2. You can't buy 3 packs and a bit of the next pack. So you're going to have to buy 4 packs and round it up. So the answer is 4. So question number 11. Josh buys a box of 12 chicken nuggets. Here's all the prices here and the drinks. A cola and a juice. The total cost is £6.10. What is the price of a cola? So 12 chicken nuggets cost us £3. And a cola cost, we don't know. And the juice costs us £1.50. And we know all of this works out to be £6 and 10p. So £3 and £1.50 will give us £4.50. add the cola, gives us £6.10. So in order for us to work out the cost of the cola, we need to minus these two to work out the difference. Because the opposite of adding £4.50 is to minus £4.50. So we're going to grab this and take it to the side. Minus £4.50. So we do up here £6.10 minus £4.50. That's 0. So that becomes 5. That becomes 11. That's 6. And that's 1. So that'll give us a total of £1.60 is the cost of. Okay, question number 12. What is the cheapest way to buy 24 chicken nuggets? Circle the correct option. Now, if you want to buy 24 chicken nuggets, you could buy the 12 box times by two of those. That'll give you £3 a box, so 2 boxes. So that'll be £6. Okay, for question number 12. Okay, now we have to look at the other combinations. 4 boxes of 6 chicken nuggets. Well, 4 of those, that'll give you £8. That's already more expensive. 3 boxes of 8, that'll be 3 times by £2.50, that's £7.50. And this one's going to be £6. I think £6, that one here. 2 boxes of 6 and 1 box of 12. 2 boxes of 6 would be £4. Add 1 box of 12 would be £3. That's still £7. So the answer is, for question number 12, most definitely C is the cheapest answer at £6. And that's the end of this video. Thank you much for joining us.